We have 2007 question 10. Acceleration is given here. Acceleration is equal to this. Car starts from rest and calculate corrected 2 decimals speed when it has traveled 1500 meters. So VdVds is the acceleration we're going to start with here. This is equal to 1 minus v squared over 3200. Tidy the right up, we're going to get 3200 minus v squared over 3200 equals v dvds. Multiplying across by ds and dividing across by 3200 minus v squared, we're going to get v dv over 3200 minus v squared is equal to ds over 3200, and if we integrate these we should get our displacement after 1500 meters, and velocity, speed, we're starting from rest going to v. So this is a substitution rule. It ends up as, when we integrate this, minus 1 over 2 by the natural log of the bottom, 3200 minus v squared between v and 0. That will be equal to s between s over 3200 between 1500 and 0. So we're going to get minus a half by the natural log of 3200 minus v squared, putting v in, and then minus the natural log of 3200. This will be equal to 1500 over 3200. Cross off your zeros. So this will be the natural log, the plus one first, 3200 over 32. I've left out my half here. So half times the natural log of 3200 over 3200 minus v squared will be equal to 15 over 32. I could multiply by 2 and get 30 over 32. I get my half. So e to the power of, that will be 15 over 16. E to the power of 15 over 16 is equal to 3200 over 3200 minus v squared. Does this tidy up? 3200 multiplying across by e to the power of 15 over 16 minus v squared times e to the power of 15 over 16 is equal to 3200. Bringing v squared to the right, 3200 to the left, divide by e to the power of 15 over 16 and get the square root of the whole thing, and we'll be able to say that this whole thing will be equal to v. Typing this into a calculator twice, just check your answer. V is equal to 44.1232. 1232. We were asked for 2 decimal places, 44.12 meters per second. The max speed of the car is part 2. So max speed, the car accelerates, or maybe going like this, and then stops accelerating. So max speed, A is equal to 0. So we have this guy equal to 0, so v squared must be equal to 3200 then. So v is just equal to the square root of 3200, which is 56.57 meters per second. 56.57 meters per second to conclude this question.